Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2015 Mazda CX-9. For this project, you will need a long extension and a ratchet to take off the main battery bracket itself. You will need a 10mm socket to complete this task. Across the battery itself is the bracket. Just use your socket to take off the screws of those brackets. Okay, once you disconnect the bracket, the next step is you want to disconnect the negative terminal, which is also known as the ground. And your third step is you want to proceed to the positive terminal, which is indicated with the red on the cable itself. Disconnect the positive terminal next. And once you disconnect the terminals itself, you'll be able to freely take out the battery from the car itself to insert your new battery. Today we are installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2015 Mazda CX-9. And by chance you possibly do not have a battery for your 2015 Mazda CX-9, please stop and Google batteryguyz.com and visit our website. We can ship this battery directly to you, half the cost than going to your local auto part store. Half the cost, up to a 2-year warranty. Okay, once you get the battery installed back into the vehicle, you want to put back on the battery brace itself. Just make sure those hooks are also hooked on the bottom of the battery box itself. Then you'll be easily to tighten up those hooks with these screws as well. We recommend getting the screws started with your fingers first, and then you can use your 10mm socket to continue to tighten up the bolts for this battery bracket. Your next step is you want to connect the positive terminal back to the post itself and make sure to tighten up those screws as well on your positive terminal. You use your 10mm socket or a 10mm wrench to tighten up the bolt itself. Just turn clockwise until you feel the bolts tightens up. And your last step is connect your negative terminal, which is also known as the ground, and use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up that bolt as well. This is exactly how you install a 2015 Mazda CX-9.